How to install cavity closers. Kingspan Kooltherm Cavity Closer can be used in a variety of constructions to suit different scenarios. It provides a simple and highly effective method for closing wall cavities around openings in masonry, timber frame and steel frame system cavity wall constructions. The width of cavity will decide the size of section or combination of sections to be used. Always fix Kingspan Kooltherm Cavity Closer with the flange against the inner leaf wall. The closer's flange fixing ties slot into the cavity side and key into the mortar bed of the outer masonry skin. Always ensure a 15mm minimum overlap between the flange and masonry skin, a tight fit of the closer with no gaps left between it and either wall. A secure fixing using suitable masonry fixing to the masonry through the holes provided in the closer's flange. Install an appropriate lintel and damp-proof coarse cavity tray at the head along with weep holes. Where an insulated lintel is used, a head closer section is not required. The jamb sections of closer will butt up against the lintel. If required, use a Kingspan Kooltherm Cavity Closer section at the head where a separate lintel is used for each leaf. Installation as individual sections. Kingspan Kooltherm Cavity Closer sections should be built in as the wall is constructed. For the sill, cut the cavity closer precisely to the frame width. For the jambs, ensure the sections overhang the bottom of the closer sill by 50mm. Cut off the fixing flange as necessary to allow fitting the closer into the cavity. If used at the head, also cut the closer to extend 50mm beyond each vertical jamb section. When fixing the window, follow conventional frame fixing procedure. Kingspan Kooltherm Cavity Closer can be used for both window and door replacement or refurbishments. For refurbishments, cut out and clear away any masonry that closes the cavity. Secure the closer in position with wedges and fixings through the fixing flange to ensure no movement. 1. Offer up the window or door frame. 2. Secure it to the masonry. 3. Use frame straps or frame fixings to fix the frame to the masonry. Butt joints. Cavity closer sections can be butt jointed, but should be limited to no more than one joint per frame side. To facilitate alignment when using butt joints, give preference to machine cut ends than those cut on site. Use a joint strip to help connect and align abutting sections on site. Finally, use adhesive aluminium foil around the joints to prevent water tracking.